win at work.
All right, I'm gonna start breaking this joint now. Yeah, go down. All right, so daily is very bullish. We're breaking above the highs. So let's go to the next time frame. Oh yeah, 4 hours breaking above resistance here on gold. We draw support right here. Resistance right here. Look at the next time frame. So yeah, this move is missed. Got another resistance right here on the 1 hour. So price is likely to reject from here. Look at the 30-minute. Okay, nice. If the 30-minute closes above this resistance, we have clean traffic up to this next zone up here. We got like 50 pips. That's good. 15 looks good to me. And then the nipples. That's fine. So I'm looking for two things right now. Either we get a close above this zone, take a buy to the next one, or price rejects this zone, comes down, makes a new support, we reach just the highs. Or Jesus Christ. Or price rejects this area, comes down, breaks below this zone, and we take sells to correct the move. Right now, I like the buy idea way more. Either retest, make a new support, continue up, or this candle breaks above this zone and the next one to continue up. So it's gonna look something like this. What I'm looking for. So either this candle comes down to here, makes a new support here. We get a bullish confirmation of a bullish candle close, and then we can retest the highs. We retest the highs. Boom. That is a super textbook move. Because when price makes a new high or a new low, there's a super high probability of price retesting the high or the low before continuing the move. So it could reject here. It could reject from here. Price starts to come down. Messes around in the range, makes a new support. and then we retest these highs. So let's see what happens.
The daily. I put the daily.
Hold up, wait.
Like readjust it so it goes like to like the normal. Like the little arrow on the bottom.
Arrow?
Yeah, that. Like zoom in. So as you guys can see, the candles for like the past like week or so, and the daily time frame have been ranging. So now the candles breaking out of this range will be pushing up with volume because there's clean traffic on the daily candles. So it's very likely to start pushing up, especially now with the news. Let's see. Gotta check the speculation, but it's very likely to move up because it breaking out of the range after ranging for about a week or so. It'll start pushing up. And price consolidates for like a while. Very likely to do that.
Next time you want to do it, just share your screen for a second, bro. And then we'll put it back to work.
Okay. That's because I'm still setting up the terminal. So.
See how this 8 a.m. candle closes actually. This might rock it before 8:30. But if it does close above the zone, I'm gonna wait for the next candle to make to leave a wick down and then go. If it does close above.
I think it's also very likely for price to for it to price in before for a move to price in before the news comes out.
What?
I think it's very likely for the move to price
because
in.
it's not like a high impact news. It's like a medium impact. So it's likely. That's what I'm saying. If this candle closes above and the next one starts to come down and then break the high, I like the buy. Because then we're banking off this volume. It's also going to be the New York Open at 8. So there's a lot of volume at that time, and there's already volume. So let's see.
I'm like half asleep, like talking, and I'm like Mr. Crabbing right now.
Oh, man, I have to talk to Mr. Toilet. Look, it's already breaking above.
Yeah, the shit's gonna explode right now.
Yeah, but I
It
gotta
looks
wait.
insane.
Needs to close for me. If it goes, then by all means, I can't take that. Where do I put a stop loss? Oh, the 5-minute doesn't look horrible actually.
So I'm looking.
I don't like it. I don't like 5-minute before 8. I'm away, bro. If I miss it, whatever. It's fine. I'll take. I know even if this explodes, price is gonna retest anyway. So I'll be right. How many pips to the top? Like 39. It's pretty good. 2 minutes. Mr. Toilet is calling my name. Say rejection. Gotta wait, brother. Got to wait. You get paid to wait.
It's like lagging so hard.
Huh?
My computer's like lagging so hard. As I have the what's this thing called? The parallel desktop. Right.
The parallel.
Yeah. Running the Windows and the Mac at the same time. The Windows and the Mac version. It's gonna be it's gonna be the 8 a.m. close.
What I'm saying, so I want to wait for this because break of the high at 8 a.m. That's a different story than before. It's gonna be like a 20 pip stop.
It's complete.
Seconds.
Price closes.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a rocket next candle. Oh yes, sir. I'm in.
Same.
I am in, brother. Let's see if it doesn't go for the retest first, which kind of wish I waited for.
Just manage the trade. Don't let the shit go take you out.
I know. It's 8 a.m.
It's like that in the 5 minute. Well, it's 8 a.m. and in the 5 minute it made like a small support. So
Yeah.
there is go very good.
The 1 hour just
let me
closed.
Look at
the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour close. That's a massive candle, dude. That's crazy.
Wow. Insane volume right now.
Yeah.
7 pips, 8, 9.
Pips.
Let's go. Come on. Push.
Rejected, no. I don't know if to put stop loss right under this candle.
I put it below the previous 5 minute, but if it comes to entry, I'm closing half after it. Perfect.
I'm closing half if this candle goes bearish.
And the shit like.
Let's wait for the retest.
Shit went not fast.
I closed half
This
right.
thing, this straight had gone up to like 9 pips for me.
Yeah, I got up to like 7, but it can still work out. Let's see.
Yeah. If it starts writing on now, I'll definitely adjust stops below this current 5 minute candle. That way we minimize risk.
I knew we should have waited for the week done. I also was a little bit scared that price was gonna fuck around before 8:30, waiting for the news. So that was another thing that I was concerned about, but Let's see what happens. At least we
But
met.
today's Friday too, right?
No, guy. Today's Thursday.
I'm so out of it.
Yeah. But look, it's coming back up. Let's see. Could still work out.
I think it has a very high chance of working out because of the. If you look at the bigger time frames, they're super clean traffic.
The problem is
The only thing that, let's see, looks like they want to move up, man. The only thing we're thinking about that it could do it could just retest before it continues moving up, but
yeah, this is it just had a giant leg up. The next one didn't just rock it out, and we have news in like less than 30 minutes. So
look, I'm gonna adjust stops below this current 5-minute candle.
should be breaking up already.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it here. I still bad. I went to close half at like about like -2 pips, and then I said shut down to like 9.
Close up perfectly at -10, but that's fine. That's what I was and from the rip. There you go. Back to profit.
Little rocket will be insane right now.
Yep. If this next 5-minute retest now leaves a wick and starts breaking the high, I'll consider adding my half back. But let's see. The thing too is that now the 5-minute could be making that new support to make that new leg up that I was talking about. But let's see if it happens in this one candle. Because the thing is, I don't want price to mess around so much, and then 8:30 comes, then price could go either way too. So we're just banking on price to respect the zone that it broke above. That's about it. But we just waiting. I already managed the trade, so
There's so much volume right now.
I had to do his thing, bro.
It took me on.
I'm still there by a hair.
I'll be right back.
As the stop loss was hit. But here's the beautiful part. So we were risking I was risking 18 pips, right? I got in right here. Let me draw it up. I got in when this candle opened, right? Price went into profit and then rejected. So when the candle went back, let me clear the drawing. So when the candle was up, right? And then the candle started flipping and coming down, and it turned bearish, meaning it turned red, meaning price started to come down. The probability of price continuing up went down a lot, right? So what happened right here, boom, I closed half of my trade, meaning I eliminate half the risk. So now instead of risking 18 pips, I'm risking 9. Um, so the rest of the half of the position, I just let it run because there's a chance price could have respected this zone that we broke above and then continue up. So I gave it the chance, but with half the risk. And that's what really saves your ass at the end of the day, because whether I take another trade later on today or whether I take another trade tomorrow, it's going to be easy to make up for that loss because I cut half of the risk. But if I just let the whole thing hit my stop, and then the next trade I take doesn't even make up for that. So that's what's really important. So now I'm just gonna wait to see if we get another opportunity. Um, I still only care about buys. So remember that idea I said at the beginning of the stream where I wanted price to come down, make a new support to retest the high. I think that will be the next best thing to wait for. So now we just wait.
Now we're gonna get a great opportunity today. Just gotta be patient. This price is making a new support. So let's see.
I think the big mistake was not waiting for 8:30 because like for example, that kind of news, like for example, if we would have waited for the 8:30 close and the 8:30 would have closed bullish or something, then if we see at 8:30 price breaking a high of a zone, then there's way more likely, But look at the 5 minute. The 5 minutes now making that support that I was saying. See this right here? See, price came down, it's making that new support. So in theory, if the 5 minute closes bullish, the next one breaking the high should continue to move up, which I kind of like that idea. So I'm gonna just wait, or it could just explode now because gold is gold. Gotta wait. I'll be back.
It's kind of like the idea of entering the first trade because gold moves so fast. It's like sometimes you just gotta get in and write it out. Moves really quick.
noise. See, that's why you gotta wait for closes because you're like, oh, price is moving up, and then look at that, and then you gotta stop that again.
Yeah. But I would take that first trade that we took. I would take it again anytime. It's because
You know what? I wouldn't. I think it was a mistake getting in a trade 30 minutes before news. Well, for one, and two, we didn't even wait for a wick down first. So I don't think it was like the idea is good. It's where we're trend, but personally, I think
the thing is that with the volume in the market, that's why I thought it could definitely move up. Not even like waiting on.
Yeah, but you know that 30 minutes before news, volume will get funky.
Yeah. True that. Probably gonna do what you said. It's probably gonna come all the way down to like 1949.
It might not even come all the way down. It might just make a support somewhere here in the middle, and with the 830 news, it could rip back up. We'll see. But yeah, I would love if it came all the way back down and made a new support. That'd be really good.
It's very likely because the 30-minute candle is clean, 1 hour strong.
I'm definitely not getting in any sell.
Yeah, no.
Unless we break below down here or something like that. Man, I'm so happy I managed that trade, bro. Because let me tell you.
Yeah, it was easy to manage too.
Yeah.
No, I would have even lost half of that. Half of the half that I lost because the problem was that when I went to close half, it kind of like jumped down from like -2 to -9. So it kind of like
the moment I saw it went bearish, I just closed off. You know, whatever. It is what it is.
But it jumped down, or you were able to close it like minus like 2 pips.
No. I when it went bearish, it went to like -8, 9, and I closed half.
That's what I'm saying. That like it went bearish for a second, and like as I was closing half, it just skipped down to like -9.
Yeah, but
that's fine. As anything,
anything less than what you
like
initially
-11, -10, like it's perfect. I ended up losing like 9 pips in total that trade. That's nothing. With a massive move that is probably gonna happen and go today, it'll be very easy to recover and the profit for the day. So looking forward to that. It's a baby looking. Foolish. Wow, foolish. We'll make a little coffee.
is coming down, like we said. Coming downtown. I'll wait for this right here. Unemployment claims. That was a mistake. I'm gonna make a mental note of that.
Pardon?
That was a mistake. I'm gonna make a mental note of that.
Or before news?
Yeah.
Sometimes before news, price hike's a little funky. Like if there's no news, I think that moves that entry that we took could have worked out. Because even at some point, I was up like 9 pips.
I got up to like
I
7.
just rejected from that. Is there like a where it rejected from? Let's see, like that fat ass retest coming.
Damn, bro, this is sick.
But
Look at this. Governor DeSantis signs a bill. Signs a bill requiring financial literacy course as a graduation requirement for Florida high school students.
if only the Santos would have been in office when I was in
Bro,
school.
in my school, it's like, what's the graph joint? Shut the fuck up.
It's like it's Thursday. That must mean movie day. And you know nobody watching.
Yeah, everybody on the BBM joint.
The BBM.
Yo, send me your pin, doggy.
All right, so now we're getting the rejection that we're waiting for. Oh wow, is that you see a daily? Right, it rejected from a daily wick, bro. Wow. Price rejected from a daily wick.
Bro, because it's crazy. Like, like you get out of high school, you don't know shit about taxes. You don't know shit about investing. You don't know shit about nothing.
Bro, price is just going insane right now.
Yo, what do you think? What do you think more legit?
That 30-minute candle just came down to retest
Bro,
the.
how the fuck would I know which one's more legit?
I don't know, bro. Okay, so what do you want? Okay, what's the cheaper option?
Sure.
What would you do?
Yeah, it's gonna be the same shit. It's probably just a different brand. They're all made in the same Chinese warehouse. But this guy calls me for like his everyday life decisions, bro.
What was it, Randy?
Sherman. Yeah, right. I haven't spoken to Randy in years.
Shout out to Randy.
That's the worst. This is all grabbing liquidity for 8:30. Look at this.
What a fat rejection. Wow.
I mean, it's a 4-hour resistance here that we never closed above.
I did that 30-minute candle went up like 100 pips. Yeah, I did. That would have been a money ass fucking.
Let me just wait. There's literally nothing to look at until 8:30 comes and until there's a support made, and then yeah, we'll go from there.
And if news is positive, best believe that shit is gonna keep on probably pushing down.
I either want a support made right here at 1948 for a 50, retest the move up, or I'll take a sell below 1943.03. And well, from the looks of it, looks like we're respecting this, so that could be really good. Just wait for the 5-minute to make that support. Let's go. I'll be back. Just wait for the 5-minute to make that support. See, there's that support we're talking about.
News
Let's
came
see.
out positive and negative.
Yeah, that's fine though. But the news is already out. So.
Yeah.
5-minute closes a back above this zone. I'm taking a buy. No problemo.
But it's just gonna set up so money.
Yep. That's why I tell you. That's why I I wanted to wait for that at the beginning, but I don't know why I just ignored the fact that there was news. And it happens, whatever. Let's see if it even closes bullish. Because if it closes bearish below this zone, I'm also gonna take a sell. There's gonna be some indecision now, but this candle's gonna tell us a lot. The 15-minute close is at least. See how this 5-minute closes.
Yeah.
But Here, look how price is just setting up, bro. Setting up beautifully, bro. Waiting on this 5-minute close here for it to turn bearish. I mean, for it to close bullish, and looking for the next candle to continue up and retest the highs. Gotta wait these 2 minutes for this 5-minute closing. Okay, so candle closed bullish, but did not close above the zone, so still no trade. Gotta be patient. We need to close above the zone here. So maybe this 15-minute candle will give us that bullish close we're looking for price to continue up. Wait 4 minutes. Bro, if this 15-minute candle closes right above, man, that would just be perfecto. Two minutos, compadre. That compadre. 1 minute, my friend. $15 seconds. Yo, you pay attention.
Looking.
Thirty-minute candle still open. 1 hour candle is open. 2 minute, there, 5 minute. Trying to make that support. It's 8:45.
My computer is like really slow right now.
What?
My computer is really slow right now.
No bueno. If this candle starts to break the high, yeah. Jesus. Thing is spazzing up.
I'm gonna close everything that I'm not using. She's so annoying, bro.
Try closing the terminal, reopen.
Dude, oh my god, bro, it's just pissing me off. If the move happens right now, I'm not gonna miss it.
Nah, I don't think it's gonna happen right now.
Yeah, it hasn't broken above this one. Bro, what the hell?
Oh, let's see. It might start to break up now. Damn, this is gonna be the 4-hour close too. Wow. Wowzers, wowzers, wowzers.
Just gonna leave it, I guess, set up in case it breaks up.
I would love this 5-minute close bullish.
Bullish. Bullish, bullish.
Like above the zone.
Oh,
5-minute close bearish. I think it needs to make that support above the zone. I'm gonna just wait for it.
All right, nigga, you got a Wu-Tang for you.
I think the 5 minutes making that support now, bro. Let's see. Oh yeah. Closes above this. Oof, money. So tired. But I think the move is gonna be the 30-minute close. In 5 minutes, closing bullish. And we got a whole nother, we got like a whole clean candle over to the left. Should be really good. So much room.
I would actually really like if this move happened at 9:30. You know, the Farah's move.
I mean, if this 30-minute candle closes over the zone, I'm taking buys for sure.
That's facts. But I'm saying that I think it will move with a lot of volume at 9:30. If it happened at 9:30, that'd be amazing.
It's already moving.
Very well. Well, this 5 minute close will be the 15-minute close.
This 5 minute close is the 15 and the 30 close.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that close because I don't want to mess around with that zone. Man, if the 30-minute close is anything like this, the next one's gonna be talking to the moon joint. Freaking exhausted, bro. Oh man.
I like if this thing breaks, I just want to take off.
Yeah.
I just don't like the stop right now. It's like 33.
Very possible. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very possible.
Oh yeah, senor.
I haven't gotten in yet. I'm trying to be patient. But if I see this 15-minute candle break the highway volume, let me tell you.
Yeah.
I'm probably just gonna have to get it. It's at 2 minutes.
So I'm putting a buy stop if we get a candle close, or if volume starts moving really fast, I'll probably just trade money.
Well, what's determined with this? Okay, doing. Minute 40. Yeah, bro, because even the 5-minute, look, the 5-minute tried to break above, but if it closes, this guy's not gonna listen.
I should have definitely breaking right now. Not in just yet. I just took off the market order. So
Oh no, I'm waiting these 20 seconds.
yeah, it's like,
Oh, this is gonna be so nice.
just put a buy stop.
Perfect. Came down.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, it's coming up. I'll be fine. All right, guys. In theory, this candle breaking the high should come up to retest the highs. So let's see what happens. But it's gonna be perfect because this candle will probably leave like a really nice stop. Because right now the stop is huge.
I'm waiting for this candle to break the high to get in the trade.
Yeah.
Seems like it's about to happen. That's it.
How big is the stop?
There you go.
The stop is like 26 pips, but I'll have to manage carefully.
I'm gonna just put a
I
stop
don't get-
near the zone. Oh yeah, 15-minute close nice too. 5-minute close nice too. 1 hour. 1 hour close bearish, but rejected the zone. So oh, but 4 hour closed above the zone. Look, you can literally go for the wick fill. Let's see. It's about to break above. You put a buy stop?
Yeah.
It's probably gonna start breaking above the high like 910 or 905. All right, I'm gonna have the chance to put a buy stop, bro. All right, buy stop is set. So let's see if we get triggered. All right, let's see.
But I want you to do a feature on my album. Like, how much do I have to pay you? What do you charge for a feature? If I know you. Just based on our situation right now, if I want to do it. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta go 350. Alright, 3,000. I got receipts. 350 for a feature? I got receipts. How long you say I got receipts? You charge 350 for a feature? $350,000? So listen, okay. You gotta have receipts. Somebody come up here just a lie to boost their sales. We got receipts. Who's paid 350 for a feature? Not my price range. I don't know if I can do that though. Exactly. But I got receipts though. Like when it comes, I can tell you like. How does that go about like getting me? Hypothetically, if I wanted to be a rapper and I want to like fucking be like, you know what, fucking I want to rap, but I want you to do a feature on my album. Like, how much do I have to pay you? What do you charge for a feature?
It's 5 minutes close. Ooh, previous 5 minute close with no wick, so that's good. We're gonna start seeing price turn around now. Yeah, like that. Price turns around now, goes for the 4-hour wick. So daily pushes, weekly pushes.
We'll get the big volume push between 9:15 and 9:30.
Yeah.
Buy stops are still in place. Now we just wait.
Yes, sir. Oh, look.
Oh, there you go.
It's about to. See how the. Yeah. I like the 5 minute right now too, because the 5 minute previous one closed with no wick. So this 5 minute might be making that support for the next one to just bingy the ging. The volume's picking up because our price is moving. It's kind of frozen. I think once this 30-minute candle closes bullish, we're gonna see the break of the high on the 30-minute and price is gonna push up. Let's see. Yep. 5 minutes closing bullish. All right, let's see. This might be it right here. Five-minute close bullish. So price starts to push up right now. It should be good. We need this 4-hour candle to flip bullish. Go for the wick flip. I think this is waiting up for 9:15.
I'm surprised that these candles are like ringing after 30-minute close. Bullish above the zone.
It's gonna happen at 9:15. Like whichever way price is gonna push, it's gonna kick in at 9:15. 9:15 or 9:30. Same way I see you. See how the 5-minute looks. Yeah, 5 minutes still just there. 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes coming to a close. 15-minute comes to a close like this, like weak bearish. Could see the next candle retest and start breaking above too as well. Expecting the zone. Oh yeah. It's good stuff. We might see candles now start to break the high. Here we go. Hold on to your horses. Oh yeah. Let's see. Yep. Brother, the move's about to happen. Watch. This 15-minute candle, it opened with some steam. So, are you listening to?
Sorry, what was it? What does it say something? Yo. Yo. There you go.
1 hour candles about to flip bullish. Everything's looking good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 15 minutes. Looking good. No wick to the bottom, which is great. All right. Now we're just waiting to get triggered. About to be triggered. Real close. I'm in the trade. I'm in buys as we speak. Here we go. Come on, baby. Push it to the limit. Come on. you ever get triggered?
Yeah. Mm.
This 5-minute close is a minute 40. So maybe after that candle, we're gonna see that push up hard. It could happen before though. I really like this trade. I really, really like it. So I think
It's like a textbook setup.
yeah. The only thing that could sort of concern me is that the previous 1 hour closed extremely bearish, but rejected the zone. So other than that, I mean, we have this 4 hour wick, which could go for the wick fill or it could struggle. So, but I like the idea a lot on the 30-minute and 15 looks solid.
Yeah, plus you got a 30-minute close up of the zone. Oh, 30-minute close up of the zone, and
I just think this
yeah,
5 minute.
and this current candle, the first 15 minutes, like they left the wick up.
I just think this 5 minute, it's gonna go when this 5 minute closes in 30 seconds. Like after the bullish close above the zone,
Yeah.
it's gonna confirm the move up. Let's see if it doesn't reject harder or something, because if it does, then it could be trouble. Trouble in paradise. I like the 15-minute open with no wick to the bottom side as well.
Problem is like in the 5 minute range, the volume should push it up.
All right, 5 minute closed. We're kind of just waiting on volume right now to push up.
Yeah, that's why I like it now. That's weird. You got taken out or no?
Not yet. Very, very close. The moment that we re-break the high, I'm gonna put my stops right under this joint. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I'm just gonna 15-minute. Brother, you know what? I think that if we take a trade, I think if we take a trade from 8 to 9, I think that if we're gonna take another trade, I think the best thing is just not even look at the chart till 9:15, 9:20 to take a trade at 9:30. Because like there's times where like two moves happen before 9:30. But I think for the most part it's just safer that way. Like if we look at it like a different session, like the New York Open is the session, and then the NYC is another session, kind of, so a trade per session in that if you look at it like that, I think it's, at least me, I think it's a really good idea. I'm gonna just start doing that because if like volume is funky after 8:30 or after a move happened, then it's probably not gonna be as
Yeah, I'm
volatile.
gonna. It looks like such a clean setup.
Yeah.
They're like the thing is that the 5 minute candles, if you look at them, they're like ranging too.
But we have 9:30 is just gonna ride.
Good. The thing too is that the previous 15 minute was bearish. But maybe it would be an idea to wait for a 15-minute bullish close. It might just ride out now. This 5 minute will say
So what?
This 5 minute will say a lot.
Yeah,
I think breaking the high.
There it goes. moving up now.
Fuck.
Oh, rejection though. But the volume's kicking
I wait
in.
for that close, bro. For that 5 minute.
Here it goes. It's moving, it's moving. It's moving. Come on, let's get a little rocket down here.
Oh, bro, I hate that my terminal's like lagging, bro. So it's like
It's weird. Man, I hope I don't get stopped out before 9:30. Because I have the darn this feeling that it's waiting for 9:30 to do that move up again. How did the 5 minute close?
weak.
Bullish, but weak as shit.
Candles are ranging on the 5 minute. Ah, man.
What happened?
Hmm?
Oh, I thought you said something. I'm honestly shocked that this trade is struggling so much because it's such clean candles to the left.
But I'm telling you, bro, like candles are ranging on the 5 minute. But
I
because it's a
understand
bigger
that, but
time frame,
still,
it should
I'm not going.
breaking the high, it should have taken off. But yeah, it's acting kind of funky.
The problem too is this big ass wick on the 4 hour is rejection, you know. So like, of course, price can fill the wick, but needs a lot of volume. That's why I'm thinking 9:30 because of all its rejection. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, damn. I wish I would have thought of it like that sooner. A lot of rejection here. Like if this, you know, if this candle didn't have such a big wick, I mean, I think we could have seen the move by now because price has broken the high and rejected like twice, you know. So, but let's see, might happen just now. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There it goes. There it goes. There we go. Beautiful. I'm up 10 pips. Oh, 20 pips. I closed half. Stop loss at entry. Let's go. There was the move we've been waiting for all day. Now we let the runner run. I'm literally gonna let this thing run until that freaking candle gets filled all the way to the left. 22 pips, I'm up. 23. Come on. Keep it going. 26. Dude, I'm gonna hold on to this for dear life.
Facts.
I already secured half and I can't. Oh my god, 35 pips. Woo! I'm gonna close another half there.
I might adjust.
Yeah, same.
Come back to entry.
I mean, I closed 2 halves already, so I'm way good. And with oh my god, dude, at 40, I'm gonna take full. Forget it. Dude, what a move, bro. Is that we literally knew this was gonna happen. Just it took time to set up. 36. Oh wait, I'm about to get 40. I'm at 37. Come on, push up a little bit.
An amazing trade. Beautiful.
Pretty great. Pretty great, my friend. Keep it pushing, man. Don't be a clown.
I ended up kind of just like making up, bro, because I took a well, the first trade was managed, and the second trade I wasn't able to manage it. I was kind of like in a bad position. But with this trade, I was able to make all of it up. So
I'm waiting for this one portion to close because I feel like if it closes like this, that 930 volume next candle is just gonna friggin' moon joint. Oh, I'm up 40 pips.
That's lit.
44. Oh my god, I'm holding on way too much. I've never held this long. 44, 44, 45. Yeah,
I think it would come at least to 1958 flat to like the wick at the top. Retest the full high.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait these 40 seconds. I think I'm gonna close another half though. Oh my god, it's just pushing, dude. If it gets to 50, I'm taking full. Fuck that. I'm 8 pips away from 50 pip trade, bro.
I hope this shit just like rips up and it goes.
Bro, that would be. Imagine it goes to like 100.
Yeah.
I'll fucking shit myself.
I just secure because I'm like whatever today. I mean, I shouldn't have taken a third trade, but
Let's see. Let's see.
the move was clean. I was able to secure that shit.
5 seconds. Let's see. Oh my god, now it's 9:30, dude. Let's see. Once this candle breaks the high of the previous one, I'm gonna put stops right below that. So I can't. Well, I already can't lose, but I can't lose even less. That makes any sense. Here it goes. I adjusted stops right under this candle. Here we go for the 50 pipper. Let's see. I see you guys understand what I just did. I put stops right below this right here. So my trade's way in profit right now. With even if I get stopped out in heavy profit. So I'm just giving it the last half, the last third of my trade. I'm giving it the chance to keep pushing because we're in a high volume time now. It's NYSE open. There's clean candles to the left. So if I could get a little more juice out of the trade while protecting my capital, so be it.
It's like a whole nother range, like right after it breaks the zone. There's like another clean zone like ahead. Right, so if you look at it daily, that shit is just.
I'm gonna set my take profit just in case it pushes.
You should I just stopped below this current.
Look at my screen, guy.
Am I looking at mine?
Let's see. Here it goes. Oh my goodness, dude, this thing is flying. 48 pips.
I catch a monster right now.
You think it's gonna explode?
I think so. It's like at a minor
50 pips, bro.
The volume right now.
Dude, I think we're going for 60, bro.
Then you're going for 80.
I'm putting stops right under the body of this candle right here.
Bro, it's 9:30. She has to push up really hard. It's clean volume. I would secure full at 1957.
Bro, yeah, I put my take profit at 1956.02. It's like almost the same. Bro, this is 50 pips right here. It'd be irresponsible to not take them.
You guys.
Oh my God.
There it is.
60, 57. 60, dude. It's about to hit my take profit. Oh, take profit hit. Smashed.
This lady.
60 pip trade, bro.
This is why you guys gotta keep your composure whenever you take a small loss or whatever, because it's always easy to make up, especially in gold. There's like really big moves.
That was unreal.
It's really easy to make up.
I kind of wish I didn't close 2 halves. I just closed 1 half because then the other half would have been massive. But that's fine. That's good.
Yeah. I actually instead of closing half at like 10, like I closed half at like 30. Like I just like, and I put stop loss at entry when it pushed like past 10 pips. I just put stop loss at entry, and then I just wrote out.
You closed full at 30?
No, I closed half at 30, and I saw like rejecting a little bit. And even though I knew it would continue, I'm like, you know what? Since I already took 2 losses, like I need to secure here because, like, I'm not trying to gamble with the money I made.
Yeah, but you gotta treat the trade apart
I know,
from,
like independently, each trade treated independently. But, yeah, I'm just glad I was able to make it up. I think I'll probably struggle around there for
yeah, it's a strong resistance over. But that pretty much wraps it up, guys. We called
as
this
I basically
trade out.
secured what,
Worked out
60?
perfect. 60 pips. But it was closed in thirds. Like I
Right,
closed
right.
I closed the third at it was like around 15. I closed the third, then I closed another third at around 30, and then the last third hit 60 in the runner.
Beautiful.
So total was like it's like 30 full pips. I call like 30 full pips, like on the full lot, you know.
Right.
That's crazy, bro.
It's amazing.
That trader was so money, bro. Just took a minute, but see, like 9:30 came, and right before 9:30, like 9:28, just started ripping.
Yeah, that's what we had to wait. The thing is that, like, bro, it's like you see a setup, like sometimes you can't even like depend on the time, you know, like it's like,
Yeah, of course. Of course.
you start waiting and you miss the trade, so it's like you gotta anticipate, obviously with the right setup.
The problem is that yeah, candle broke the high, but not really with volume. You know, it was like kind of like, okay, I broke the high. I'm still.
But it makes sense because in the 5 minute, like 5 minutes were ranging, and it was like so like the 5 minutes were ranging, and then the candle that broke out, like it was still like kind of like in the range, and it just kind of like broke out, you know. That's what I'm saying. Like it's like, I mean, I get why it struggled because it was kind of like ranging there in the lower time frame, but it goes back to what I was just saying, that you can't just wait for 9:30, you know, because it's just gonna go. The 9:25 candle was the candle that took off.
Look at this, guys. 4 hour closed above resistance. Left a wick. This is why I think it struggled. Remember, when candles leave a wick, it means price hit that spot, like that mark, and didn't close there, so it rejected. So anytime there's rejection in the market, you know, price will react to the rejection. So sometimes when there's hard rejection, but it's a clean move on the smaller time frame, you want to wait for the big volume time session, which is 9:30. This is what I was referring to. So look at this. This candle opened, retested, and it filled this wick right here to the left. You know, I literally called all that before it happened. We were just in a tad early, but you know, that's fine. We had the right idea. But I think
plus we managed the trade. Isn't it? The thing is, like, if you're taking anticipation trades, as long as you manage the trade, like it's okay to try out your idea, you know.
Exactly. And then also, for example, like if I this is what I personally believe, and I'm gonna make a mental note of this. If the 4 hour and the 1 hour, like for example, if the 4 hour like had just clean candles to the left without these massive wick. I think that when price originally broke the high here on the 30 minute,
yeah,
price was just gonna move up really hard.
yeah. You know what? That actually makes a lot of sense. I think like wick fills will definitely happen on like
High volume time, of course, because they're setting up, they're like grabbing liquidity to like push through that rejection, you know.
Yeah.
So let's keep that a mental note, man. I think that's gonna elevate our execution as well, because you know it's not that we weren't wrong, we just maybe we're in a tad early, you know. Look at that, bro. 60 pip move. That's fucking insane, bro. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, so
call that a probability time.
You already know the vibes.
Thank you guys for watching. Until tomorrow.
Out to the gym joint. The gym Demalone joint. Deuces to the Fuso joints. They tried to Fuso us today, but it didn't work. The bamboozle for the Fuso.